What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And today it's finally official. I pick up the keys and I am officially a homeowner, and I'm very excited to move into the house. And there's gonna be a lot of process before I moved in completely. We're gonna do the walkthrough and the orientation, and we're gonna do a little punch for the things that they will have to fix before I moved in. And so I have that, and then a little things to take care of. And today is official day, and I hope you guys will stay tuned with me and see my transformation of the house. And I'm very excited. So I'm gonna show you a little tour of the house, so please stay tuned.
So which one is your room? You can't pick the big one. You have to pick one of these.
Pick one. Which one?
Which one do you
Which
like?
room you want?
This one is. The light is.
You're gonna pick one. Which room you want?
That one.
What about this one? Come look at this one.
No.
No, the other one. Look at this.
Look at the bathroom.
Come on, I want to go downstairs.
You're the one who says come here.
Come here. Come on, girl.
Don't be careful with this. This is like a lot of steps. All right, Tywin, did you like this one?
Yes.
You like that?
Security cameras.
There's another one in the backyard too. Another street.
Oh, and another one in the back person?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also my website lezimadesignsservice.com to see some inspirational interior designing. And please please support and stay tuned on the new journey of the new house. And again, this is Lezima Designs. I bought a home.